how can you enable experience invitations notifications on your Roblox app. We're going to figure out the solution. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that. Just click on more. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. Then you click here on settings. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on notifications. Click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just waiting to open with you here. So then you just click here on push notifications. Just click on it here. Then you come to this list. You just go down here. So then you come here to experience invitation here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean experience invitations notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.